Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to add a little feminine flair to your office space, I have just the set for you. This beautiful set comes with everything you need for your desk. So you have a really generous amount of push pins and binder clips, paper clips, all with that beautiful rose gold touch. You have a stapler and staple remover. You have a tape dispenser, and then of course these really sweet scissors in the shape of the Eiffel Tower. So pretty and feminine. The rose gold is a really nice shade and it just makes your space look so classy having this displayed on your desk. Normally office supplies are not that cute, but this set, I'm telling you, is really, really special. I'm really pleased with the quality too. Everything is heavy and sturdy. Even the staples are rose gold. Talk about attention to detail. So for yourself or even as a gift, this would be an awesome present for a coworker. It's just something that makes an everyday item look just a little more special. So I highly recommend it. I love it in my pink office and I'm sure you will too. And that's my point of view.